Hey everyone, today I thought I would try doing my makeup using only pink products slash pink packaging, just pink stuff. I don't know why I thought about this. I was just looking through my collection the other day. I was like, so much stuff has cute pink packaging, so I thought it could be a cute idea to try and do a full face using all of those products. I'm going to be doing just like a really wearable, kind of wearable glam look I think today. I don't really know, like we'll see where it goes. But I'm going off to a mosque, a local mosque today, to pay respects to the Christchurch victims in the Muslim community, so I don't want to do anything too colourful. I don't really want to be like trying to take attention or anything. I don't know, I just want to like keep it kind of simple. So we're just gonna play around with our makeup today and see what happens. Got extensions in too, and the clips are quite high, so you'll probably see them while I like pin back my hair. Do not judge me. And yes, I'm wearing a top. It is nude. No, this is not the outfit I'm wearing to the mosque. Don't worry. I will be, you know, covering up and wearing white as well, just to, yeah, pay respect and, you know, I want to look modest. I don't want to be wearing this kind of thing. This is just for now. Oh, I've got so many pink primers, like so many. I'm going to start off with some Watermelon Brightening Serum by Milk, which I really like this. It's really fun to use. Just going to wipe that over my face. My skin's feeling quite dry today, so I'm going to go for some kind of hydrating primer. Does this count as pink? It's like pale pink, right? Like to me this is pinkish. Like nude pink. Or I have actual pink. Maybe I'll use this. This is a bit proper. Bit more proper pink. Blah, blah, blah. So this is the Pinklite Strobe Cream. So I'm just going to apply some of this onto my cheeks and blend it out. Simple, simple. And you can see it's got a bit of a pink reflect to it. I just love strobe cream because it's hydrating, and I love hydrating kind of products before my foundation, and the pink glow is kind of nice because it can help make your foundation look a little bit more glowy. For my foundation today, I'm going to use something I haven't used in a little while but I really like. It's quite a light coverage, so we're definitely going to need some concealer on these breakouts, but this is the Hello Happy Soft Blur Foundation by Benefit. You can see it's got a cute like pink metallic rose gold pink lid to it. So I've got the shade 2 and 4 here. I'm probably just going to like go in with 4, see how that looks because I've got a fake tan, and then I can mix a little bit of 2 if I need to. Oh no, that looks pretty good. So I'm just applying some of this, and I'm going to use a flat top brush to just blend this out all over. Oh my gosh, what am I going to use on my eyebrows? I haven't thought this through. I feel like I'm definitely going to be missing some products with pink packaging, but we'll do our best. I will try to remember to post my first impression of this foundation down below if you want to go watch it. I haven't actually used it in a while, but I do really like it. It's quite a nice natural one, and it really just helps to like make your skin look real poreless and like fresh. You can see the finish is real pretty. Oh, this looks so pretty. I definitely remember why I like it so much. I need to like use this more often. It's so nice. Not for you if you love like only full coverage. Like it's definitely very like natural, you know? But not natural, like it's still got coverage, but like it's just so fresh looking. Okay, concealer. I don't know if I have any pink concealer either. Okay. Oh snap. Benefit coming through. Yes! Benefit Boi-ing and like the brightening and airbrush and everything. Pink packaging. Get it, son. So I'm going to use a little bit of the brightening concealer in shade number 1 under my eyes. I'm just going to use a double-ended paddle brush. I love using these kind of brushes under my eyes because it's quick. I haven't used this in ages. Oh my gosh. So this is like a peachy kind of undertone, which just helps to kind of disguise those purpley bags that you sometimes get in the inner corner and underneath. It helps to brighten it up. I usually would use this product with a sponge because it's quite thick, but I don't have a wet sponge right now. I do also have the Airbrush concealer. I've got shade 1 and shade 2. I think I'll just go in with shade 1. I don't know why it's gone all speckled. I must have used like a speckly brush in it last time, but just going to, oh, actually no, I need shade 2, won't I? Okay, I'm just going to use the leftover of this under my eyes, just over top of the brightening concealer, just to add more coverage. I just like forgot I was wearing fake tan for a split second, so shade 2 will be better on my face, but shade 1's good under my eyes. So shade 2, just over top of the breakout, just to help mask it. For powder, I'm going to use my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. I really like this. I did a whole like video on the peach collection, I'm pretty sure. I'll link it below if you want to go watch it if you missed it. yeah. This is a mattifying loose setting powder. It smells so good. It actually tastes good too, but try to refrain from eating it because it is expensive. I'm just going to take a whole lot of it and smash that straight under my eyes just to prevent that concealer from creasing. It is quite thick, so I'm going to use this all over as well, but I'm just using this small face brush just to concentrate the products. By the way guys, my lashes are now available in the UK. I will link them below so you can avoid customs and fees and stuff, because I know you guys get absolutely ripped a new butthole with your customs regulations in the UK. So yeah, get excited. Sorry, this is a bit bright. I just noticed. There we go. Hello extension, how are you? I don't know who I think I am putting my extension so high up on my head, but that's fine. Okay, now we're gonna take the same powder just in the lid and I'm gonna use a big fluffy powder brush. This is such a pretty powder. Like usually I don't love mattifying, but I find this powder still doesn't make me look dusty and disgusting. Like it actually just looks like skin still. It's like a nice matte, you know? Because some matte powders literally make me look like crusty and dusty and grey. But this one doesn't. Too Faced does real good loose powders, I reckon. Oh, my breakouts decided to still come through. Thank you, not. Okay, what next? I need my Glam Glow Setter because that's pink, but it's not in here. I'll just use this. This is pink. It's got pink on it anyway. Okay, give me a break. Spray that straight in my eyeball. Okay, so now I'm going to focus on the eyes and, you know, do the face last because I don't really know what I'm doing with my life. Use this dry sponge to dab out any dots of Fix Plus because there are a few. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I just peeled off some of my powder. I'm just gonna use my powder brush to like, don't know why that happened. I've never had that happen before. Maybe because I use a dry sponge, like it probably like soaked up the product rather than like patting it in. Whoops. Anyways, that helped. Lip balm. This is pink. Goji and Pomegranate by XoBeauty. Smells so freaking good. I could eat it. The closest thing to pink packaging I have for my eyebrows is the Brow Contour Pro. It's got pink writing. It's the only thing. I'm sorry. I'm going to use the shade Blonde Light and I am using the lighter shade. Thank you Benefit for doing pink packaging stuff because otherwise I'd be struggling right now. I'm not doing like super heavy brows. Just want them to look nice and groomed. Can this eyebrow here literally like communicate with me right now? Please. Give me brow kind of pink. Not really. I'll show you like one eyebrow versus the other so you can see what kind of look I've gone for. It's very natural. Very thin too. I love the Brow Contour Pro. You just have to be careful not to like be too heavy handed. It's a lot creamier than some of the other products. And like usually I prefer something stiffer because it gives you a more like defined look. Then there is the definer shade in it which you can kind of like carve out your eyebrows with, which I really like. But yeah, that's my before and after. See the difference? I don't have a pink primer, but I have a pink primer. I don't have pink packaging primer, but a pink I have pink primer by Shiseido, Nabara Pink. Even though I said I'm doing a natural look, I still will. I'm just going to use this as a primer because I don't have any primer in pink packaging. I've got the Fenty one, but that's like nude once again, and I'm like, So I'm just going to use a little bit of this in a very sheer layer on my finger just to prep my eyelids. And we'll go over with like some kind of neutrals to like make it not look intense, if you know what I mean. This is just like a kind of paint pot product. How many P words are there in this friggin' video? Penis. Ugh, it's so pretty. I love it. But yeah, we're not gonna keep it. We're gonna add stuff to it. I'm gonna use this today because I haven't used it yet, even though it's kind of cheating because it's really just like a Z palette. But it's the Kylie one and it's pink, okay? And it's got all sorts of colors on the inside. We're not using just pinks, but it's pink packaging. I'm gonna go straight in with this shade called Butter Rum on a fluffy blend brush. Just go straight into that crease, nice and soft. Using a nice big fluffy brush so it's not too, you know, full on and intense. It's just very blowing out and pretty. Nice color. Very blendable. Very lovely. Going straight underneath as well. And just really not being careful with this color. Just smashing it all over, you know, the crease and everything. So I'm going to add some more shades, of course. This is just kind of like the crease and underneath color. Very simple. And then on my lid I'll take a kind of pink. This is called Tequila Tangerine by Kylie also. And I'm just going to pack that on the lid with this Huda Beauty brush. It's such a nice color. I'm gonna put a little bit underneath as well. I'm literally just like smashing colors on my eyes today. I'm like semi in a rush because I want to go grab some flowers before I head to the mosque, but I like needed to do my makeup and I felt like filming. I was actually meant to film a clothing haul today, but I'll do that another day. Maybe I'll film it tomorrow, which is Saturday, but this is pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna take denser brush. This is the Tulip Crease brush, and this is like the only other one I have that's a little bit darker, Sister by Kylie. And I'm going to take this and just kind of intensify the outer corner and crease, just keeping it all very blended. I'm not doing any kind of cut crease today, just very simple. And I'll probably just pair it with like a nice bold wing if I can find a pink eyeliner, or pink packaged eyeliner, pink pickled packages. I feel like I'm off that ad. You know my favorite YouTube video? What does he say? Buttery flaky crust. Buttery flaky flake. Buttery crispy crust. Just can never get it right, like that's me. And I'm just gonna go over one more time with my nice fluffy blender brush. Nice and quick and easy. I just want to add a little bit of shimmer onto my eyelid. So I might just take this trophy shade, which no, that's not gonna look good at all. Hold on, we'll go to a pigment. I've got lots of pigments that I never ever use. So how about this? This is Clarins and it's in pink packaging. This is the Ombre Iridescent 09 Silver Rose, and I'm just gonna take it on my finger and just put a little bit of this just on top of the peachy color, just for a little bit of something extra. It's really pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of this also on my inner corner. Okay, the closest thing to pink eyeliner I have is this. It's kind of silver really, isn't it? It's got kind of pinkish. Nah, I think I'm talking shit. But you know what we're doing anyway. This is the Fenty Beauty eyeliner. Yes, I'm cheating. But I think I made up this challenge, so I'm allowed to cheat, right? I don't even know if I made this up. I'm just doing it, but whatever. I was just thinking about it when I looked through my collection, like I said. Okay, I need to concentrate now. Oh, are we good? Yeah, we're good. We good, fam. This bad boy keeps getting thicker and thicker. I'm just gonna stop now before it ends up out of hand. Considering how fast I whipped on these eyeshadows, like I think they're very pretty and soft. Like I like the look I did, I mean. Okay, so that is on. Mascara next. Of course, better than sex. It's gotta be. Like, this is the most stunning pink packaging I've ever seen in my life. This is one of the like limited edition ones that have the diamonds all over, which is basically just like everything to me. Oh no, look what I did. I just screwed up my eyeliner a little bit on this side, so I'm gonna use the definer shade from my brow pen and just draw on there to like make it straighter. For lashes, we've got these which have pink on them. These are Panther by XoBeauty, which you can now buy in the UK, like I said. Link below. I'll also put a link to all of our stockists, so if you're like in a certain area you can like have a look and see where you can purchase them from. But yeah, this is them. I'm going to use it with, I don't have any pink lash glue, so I'm going to use the XoBeauty lash glue with my giant kitchen scissors because I don't know where my little lash scissors went. I like to trim these ones from the outside because then they aren't so like dramatic. Just a thin layer of the glue, and oh my god, where was I going just then? Just like smashed it straight into my crease. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. Just straight onto the lash band, and then the same on the other side. Make sure you pinch them with your natural lashes. There's the XoBeauty eyelash tweezer, and then they will look much more natural because they're like closer to your natural lashes. Not like these lash styles are like necessarily a natural style, but you get what I'm trying to say here, okay? So that is the eye makeup, very simple, but hey. Used my pink Kylie palette. I do like the eyeshadow so far. I only tried the matte ones, but they blended really nicely. For contour, I'm going to use this On The Go by Designer Brands. It's the only pink contour I have, and even then it's not a very good contour color, but yeah, that's not good. But do I cheat or do I just like roll with this? It's a beautiful color for bronzing, just not contouring, you know? You feel me? This color is very, very easy to blend. I feel like you cannot get the lighting right today. I am going to just cheat a little bit and just take a little bit of a different contour color just because this isn't cutting my face like I would like. Cheating at my own shit. The only person I am cheating is myself. I'm sorry, Shannon. Then I'm going to go back to my Designer Brands palette, and so I'm going to take the yellow color and just cut out my cheekbone more. Add a little under my eyes just for some extra brightening. This palette's actually really nice. I like it. It's definitely very powdery and stuff, but it works. And then let's go ahead and use one of the highlighters. I do have heaps of pink highlighter products, but I'm just going to use this one palette today. Well, first we'll do the blush, which is a beautiful peachy blush. I'm like loving blush again, like since I started forcing myself to use it. Ugh, I'm just loving like a super blush look. This is just a tapered fiber brush, by the way. And then I'm going to use a shimmer fan brush because I haven't used this in ages. And I'm going to take this one, I think, this highlighter, and just pop that on the cheekbone. Why do I look orange in my camera? this is not actually what I look like. Is this highlighter just really natural or is it just my brush? I'm gonna switch to a shimmer brush because I feel like I kind of need to dig in here and get like, I don't know, it's like there's a film that's developed on top of it and it's like not coming off. There we go, it's a bit better. I think I just need to like scrape off the top layer. I'm just using my big powder brush once more just to make sure everything is beautiful and blended. Yeah. Okay, next up, let's go into lips. So we're almost done. Oh, well that wasn't that hard, kind of. I'm gonna use this because it's got pink on it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, Marc Jacobs Slow Burn. Going straight over the top of the lip balm because my lips are dry and crusty today. Fact. And then over top I might use this. This is the Tutti Frutti Grin and Bear It by Too Faced. Is that pink? Maybe not. What about this one? But I don't really want this colour. What about this one? This one is, but I don't know if the colour's right now. Raisin the Roof by Too Faced. Let's go for it. Okay, that's quite pretty. So yeah, that wasn't actually that hard, but feel free to try this challenge if you want, if you're another YouTuber or if you just have an obscene amount of makeup like myself. Ooh, should I put some of this on? Is that pink? I mean, kind of goes pink because of the pink product on the inside. Going in with a big duo fiber brush. Ooh. Shing, 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 shing. Straight over the cheekbones. I mean, cheekbones, chest bones. What are these called again? I can't remember. Collarbones, that's what I mean. A little over the cheeks. Matchy, matchy. And yeah, that's us done, guys. I was going to put on more Fix Plus, but I'm terrified. Now you know what I will. I just won't touch it with a friggin' sponge this time. So that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little mini challenge, which was kind of dumb, but hey, I just thought of it and thought I'd do it. But I like the makeup. It's really pretty everyday makeup. You could easily adapt this to your own routine if you do like these kind of colors. I love the kind of peachy pinky lid with the soft crease and then the big lashes and liner. Like, it's a bit of fun. It's still very like natural, but glam natural. It's glatral, okay? Glamtral, glatral, glam natural, nalam, it's natural. Anyway, this is it. So if you did enjoy it, please thumbs up, please subscribe and notify if you have not already. I would love to have you as part of my Shang clan, and we talk about all sorts of lovely beauty products over here on my channel. Cringe. But yeah, seriously, like, feel free to, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.